ever wondered what it would take to turn this into this? No, you don't need Photoshop skills or anything. You can do it with just a single prompt. Without any prior experience, anyone can do this now, and it's free. Suppose you are curious about how you would look at the age of 80. You can do that. Then you can ask Ronaldo and Messi to come together and pose for a picture. You can add Neymar in that photo as well. If you want to make this granny hold a camera in her hands, you can do that. Or you can make Mr. Beast pose as you want. All of these are done through Google's new AI image editor, which is called Nano Banana. You don't need to learn using any tools, you just have to give prompts. And you don't need to subscribe to my channel, but you must like this video. Now, I will show how you can use it for these cases very easily. First, go to Google Gemini. Here you get to use it for free, but there is a limit for the usage. Make sure you have 2.5 flash selected here. Then come down and click on the settings and select the second option, Create Images. You can see the banana beside this. Okay, after selecting this, you will see this image tag here. Now it is ready to create or edit images. Let's create an image first. I'm entering this prompt to generate a boy standing on the beach with a football. In a few seconds, the image is generated and you get a result like this. It's very realistic. Now, let's replace this football with a baseball bat. So I am simply giving the prompt for that. And the generated result is like this. You see, the boy is still the same, only holding a baseball bat instead of the football in the previous image, and nothing else has changed at all. This is really amazing. Let's try some other use cases now. As I have shown you earlier, I am going to turn this girl to look like in her 80s. So I am adding the image and putting this prompt. This is how she might look when she will be 80. I am going to tweak it a little more. You can make changes to the environment as you want, keeping the character same. And get results like this. Now, let's make this lady hold a camera in her hands. So, I am asking Gemini to add a camera in her hands. It's done too. You get anything you ask for. Then, let's take 2 pictures of Ronaldo and Messi, and then add them together to make one photo. It looks so real. Then I am adding Neymar too. Look how amazing the result is. There's no way you can tell that it was not captured. It was created instead. See, it's that easy. You can literally use this one tool for any case to edit any kind of images. You can even make a character change poses and wear clothes as you want, which can be used for your product photo shoot. There are unlimited possibilities that you can do with this new AI tool. It's just superb. Let me know what you're planning to use it for. I might make a more specific video on this if I see a good response to this video.